Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about effects of hot working on metals. So if we heat a metal above recrystallization temperature and below melting point of that metal and apply force on it and deform it at a particular shape, this method is called hot working. For this hot working, too many changes occurs in metals. I will discuss all of them one by one. First one is recrystallization. So if we heat a metal at an elevated temperature, then new grains are formed, replacing the strained and deformed grains in the material. This results a refined and more uniform grain structure. So the overall mechanical property of that metal become superior for this recrystallization. Next is grain growth. For heating a metal at an elevated temperature, recrystallization leads to grain structure. We have discussed earlier that when we heat a metal at an elevated temperature, recrystallization occurs. For this recrystallization, refined grains get high temperatures. For this, grain growth occurs. So we have to control the deformation and we have to control the temperature. If we don't control the temperature and we don't control the deformation, and then the material properties will not be desirable. So for desirable temperature, we have to control the deformation, also the elevated temperature. Next is reduction in hardness and strength. If we hot work on a metal, then the hardness and strength of the metal get reduced, but the ductility of the product get increased. Hot working generally leads to a reduction in hardness and strength of the material. This is due to the elimination of strain hardening and the formation of a new and less deformed microstructure. It is also for recrystallization. In hot working, new and less deformed microstructure occurs in the material, so the hardness and strength of that metal reduced. This also provides more superiorness to the metal. Next is improved ductility and toughness. After we do the hot working on a metal, the ductility and toughness of that metal increases. The reduction in strength is accompanied by an increase in ductility and toughness. This makes the material more resistant to fracture and better suited for applications where deformation without failure is crucial. When ductility and toughness increases into a metal, we can deform the metal more than the previous. So the machinability of that material increases. Also the mechanical property of that metal become more superior. The next effect is elimination of residual stresses. When we take a metal in normal condition, some residual stresses is present inside the metal. After hot working, the residual stresses reduce. So the overall mechanical property of that metal gets superior. Residual stresses that may be present in the material from prior manufacturing processes are relieved during hot working. This contributes to improved dimensional stability in the final product. So after the residual stresses gets eliminates, the dimensional stability of that metal gets improved. Next is uniform microstructure. This is also related to recrystallization. When we heat a metal at an elevated temperature, we get more uniform microstructure throughout the material. This reduces the localized defect or variations in mechanical properties. So for uniform microstructure, the property of that metal overall property of that metal is uniform throughout the metal. This is called uniform microstructure. This is also related to the recrystallization. Next is surface oxidation. When we heat a metal at an elevated temperature, the oxygen of the atmosphere gets engaged in chemical reaction with the heated particle of that metal. So, after oxidation or surface oxidation, a scale or layer of oxide on the material surface formed. So, the surface become rough or unsmooth. Next is improved machinability. After hot working, the machinability of that material get increased. This is for reduction in hardness. After we heat a metal to an elevated temperature, the hardness of that metal reduced and the refined microstructure achieved through the hot working can improve the machinability of the material, making easier to cut or shape. When we heat a metal to an elevated temperature, we can easily do any machine work on that material. So the overall machinability of that material increased. Next is dimensional changes. When we heat a metal and deform it to a particular shape, the dimension of that metal gets changes. If we deform more, that if we apply more force, then the deformation will be more, and if we heat the metal more than the elevated temperature, also the reduction in dimension will be more. So if we want to give the metal a particular shape, then we have to control the temperature and we have to also control the force which will be applied on it. So these are the effects of hot working of metals. So in this video I have discussed about effects of hot working on metals. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.